Okay, so here's an example of a head and shoulders pattern. This is on the 1 hour chart, as you can see there. Um, I've drawn a line across, that's the left shoulder, that's your head, that's the right shoulder. Now the minimum target for a head and shoulders pattern is the same distance from the top of the head to the neckline down to the other side. Now as you can see, it crossed the line here, but it didn't close below it. That was at around 8, that was on the 8 o'clock, that was during the 8 o'clock hour, that was between 8 and 9. It then crossed below between 9 and 10. These are all hourly bars. Now very often there is a pullback after a trend line or a support or resistance line is broken. That's basically was a support line. It's now a resistance after it's crossed through. So what I did was I waited for the pullback, as you can see here, which started around 10 o'clock, and that's your up bar there. And I decided to get in as just after it hit the neckline again. You can see that brown dot there. That was my entry point at 68.89. 68.89 you can see is there. It did continue to go up a little bit beyond the trend line, and then as you can see it started to pull back. It's moving now. I placed my bet at £1 a point as a sell. I clicked up here to sell, and I had my my amount in here as £1. So it's now moving down. We're just £17.50 in profit there, or 17.5 points. I could have done £10 a point, I could have done 20, I could have done £100 a point if I had so desired. I'm working on small amounts now to show you that you can work with very small sums in spread betting. So my downside target is going to be, we'll have a look here, the highest point there is 69.55. The lowest point here at the neckline is 68.88. So the difference between 68.88 and 69.55 is about 70 points, 67 points. So I'm expecting this to go at least 67 points below the neckline. So we go back here, the low again was 68.88 minus 67 is going to be about 68.21. So 68.21 is my target. We'll have a look and see how that goes after a little while. Thank you for watching.